In today's educational landscape, the costs of college education are soaring to unprecedented levels. With tuition fees, room and board, and additional expenses reaching staggering heights, the importance of proactive planning for your children's higher education has never been more critical. The consequences of student loan debt can linger for years, potentially hampering your child's financial freedom even after graduation. It's essential to fully grasp these implications and empower yourself with strategic foresight. Understanding the rising cost of college. Let's take a deeper look at the factors fueling the upward trajectory of college costs. Imagine a world where tuition, room and board, textbooks, and myriad fees converge to form a substantial financial challenge. Delving into the causes behind this surge in costs reveals a multifaceted landscape involving increased demand, administrative complexities, and the evolving nature of education. By gaining an in-depth understanding of these factors, you can empower yourself to make informed decisions. The ability to decipher the driving forces behind rising costs positions you to navigate this complex terrain. Armed with this knowledge, you can weigh the merits of in-state versus out-of-state tuition, the nuances of public versus private institutions, and the intricate details of financial aid packages. The power of compound interest and time. Visualize your college savings strategy as planting seeds in fertile soil. As these seeds germinate, they grow into substantial trees bearing abundant fruit. This analogy magnifies the power of compound interest, a financial phenomenon that rewards early action and steadfast commitment. Imagine initiating a financial process where your investments generate returns on both your initial contributions and the accrued interest. In practice, the magic of compound interest lies in the growth of investments that generate earnings. These earnings, in turn, contribute to even greater growth, creating a compounding effect that accelerates your savings over time. By setting this process in motion early on, you harness the exponential power of time. Every dollar invested has the potential to multiply, becoming a formidable resource to fund your children's education. 529 College Savings Plans, a smart choice. Let's navigate the intricacies of 529 College Savings Plans, an advanced tool designed explicitly for education funding. Imagine a financial vehicle that seamlessly merges tax advantages with unparalleled flexibility, optimizing your ability to save for college. These plans derive their name from Section 529 of the Internal Revenue Code and offer a unique blend of financial benefits. Essentially, 529 plans provide a tax-advantaged conduit for saving for qualified education expenses. Your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, and the investments within the plan grow on a tax-deferred basis. The true magic occurs when withdrawals are made for qualified educational expenses. These withdrawals are typically tax-free. This trifecta of tax benefits elevates 529 plans to a compelling instrument for securing your children's educational future. Coverdell Education Savings Accounts, ESAs. Now, let's delve into the realm of Coverdell Education Savings Accounts, ESAs, a versatile approach to education funding. Visualize a financial avenue that extends its reach to encompass primary and secondary education expenses as well. ESAs, formerly known as education IRAs, offer a unique form of flexibility in the education savings landscape. ESAs mirror the potential for tax-free growth and withdrawals for qualified expenses that 529 plans offer. However, they encompass a broader spectrum, catering to educational needs beyond the realm of college. This inherent adaptability positions ESAs as an attractive option for families seeking a versatile solution to diverse educational requirements. Other investment vehicles for college savings. Imagine a palette of investment vehicles that can complement your college savings strategy. While not exclusively designed for education funding, Roth IRAs and custodial accounts provide intriguing possibilities. Roth IRAs, primarily designed for retirement planning, unveil an additional layer: penalty-free withdrawals for qualified education expenses. This dual-purpose nature brings an added dimension, bridging the gap between education funding and retirement preparation. This inherent flexibility ensures that your financial strategy serves multiple facets of your life. Custodial accounts, such as Uniform Transfer to Minors Act, UTMA, or Uniform Gift to Minors Act, UGMA, accounts, introduce an element of financial education. By designating a minor as the account's beneficiary, you're fostering financial responsibility from an early age. These accounts can encompass various assets and transition to the beneficiary's control upon reaching adulthood, creating a comprehensive college savings strategy. Imagine crafting a college savings strategy that is tailored to your family's aspirations and unique circumstances. Envision setting crystal-clear financial goals and weaving them seamlessly into your broader financial landscape. This journey begins with defining your savings targets, deciphering precisely how much you aim to save for each child's education. Breaking these larger objectives into achievable milestones sets the stage for success. The subsequent step involves seamlessly integrating your college savings plan into your monthly budget. This harmonious integration ensures a consistent channel of contributions directed toward your educational goals. This approach also safeguards the integrity of your overall financial strategy by achieving a delicate balance between college savings and other essential financial objectives. Balancing college savings with other financial goals. Imagine your financial goals as pieces of an intricate puzzle, where each fragment contributes to a coherent picture of your family's future. Balancing your college savings aspirations with retirement planning, emergency funds, and other financial milestones ensures a holistic and secure financial tapestry. This equilibrium acknowledges that each financial element plays a pivotal role in your family's overall well-being. By seamlessly interweaving your college savings strategy with broader financial ambitions, you're creating a harmonious symphony of financial stability. Final thoughts: navigating the college savings journey. As we bring our exploration of college savings to a close, the path forward emerges with clarity. Strategic planning and proactive decision-making are pivotal in securing your children's educational future. Strategies like 529 plans, ESAs, and diversified investment vehicles offer a rich tapestry of possibilities. While the journey may appear intricate, partnering with financial experts provides a guiding compass towards confident choices. By taking intentional steps and starting early, you're not solely investing in education, you're investing in a future filled with opportunities for your children. Through meticulous planning and adept execution, you're providing your children with the gift of a brighter tomorrow. It's imperative to underscore that the content provided here is intended solely for educational purposes and should not replace professional financial counsel. Seek guidance from qualified experts to tailor strategies to your individual circumstances and aspirations.